11 people have died, and 31 rescued after a boat capsized north of an uninhabited island near Puerto Rico. 11 women and 20 men were taken to a local hospital in Puerto Rico for treatment, according to officials. United States Coast Guard conducted the rescue and said most of the survivors were from Haiti or the Dominican Republic. The rapid increase of Haitian migrants attempting to cross over into the U.S. is alarming, and most of them would do anything to get to their destination, even if it meant drifting through dangerous waters. The incident comes less than a week after the U.S. Coast Guard and the Dominican Navy on Saturday rescued 68 migrants in the Mona Passage, a treacherous area between Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic. One woman believed to be from Haiti died in that incident.